Google translates and lived up to his standard, which has ability to translate over 100 languages and can translate between 180 languages by typing. Also can translate text from a picture perfectly. I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate. Not only that, but how to use it like a pro. Let's go. There are two ways to do this. One, by copying the text from the chart and then paste it in the Google Translator like this. You copy it and click on this paste it here. Then the second one is by translating the language from the, as in typing it on the Google Translator. You see it. Now let me show you how to use it. Now let me go to my Google Translate app. Here is my Google Translate app. Open it, wait for the process. And now if you want to translate text, like if you want to translate text into any language you like me, I like to translate text to Spanish based on my clients and people which I do business with. So I'll paste the language I will paste the text which I want to translate here. Automatically it will translate it into Spanish perfectly. Here is the Spanish version of it, of the text. You see it. You can also copy it by hitting this copy icon, this copy here. Now let me say you want to translate a text from a picture. You click this camera icon here. You see it. Like if you want to snap it by like video, like take a picture and translate it, like if you are missing a road or you see a signboard in any country you are, you just click the snap it. Or if you have already downloaded the picture, like you download the picture on internet and want to translate it, you will click this side box in a figure here, click it. It will bring you to your gallery where your picture are. Now I want to translate this thing into English, this Portuguese language into English, not France. So into English, but this thing is a Portuguese language. Now let me say I want to translate it into English. I will hit this Spanish, then click on English. See it, automatically it translates it into English perfectly, no mistake. Like if you want to see the full version, if you want to copy it, it's easy. Just hit the send home here, translate. Here is the English version of it. Here is the English version of it. Now I can copy anyone which I want to copy. You see it, I can copy, that's it. And now let me say again, you don't know how to speak, you don't know how to type it, just click on microphone icon and speak what you want. You see how are you in Spanish? You just see it now.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
You see it now, it translates it perfectly. Page we update you in every software event and feature technology, so keep tight by subscribing and clicking the bell icon. And if you are on Facebook, hit that follow icon and keep visiting my page for more.